So on my 2002 7.3, I had installed the Riff-Raff FRX system. Wasn't entirely satisfied with the results and went ahead with the regulated return setup. In order to do that, you need a standalone fuel pressure regulator. Previously, I had a 97 7.3 where I did the Tightwad mod, which is a you take your fuel pressure regulator from the fuel bowl, and I almost purchased an older OBS fuel bowl to do this, to take the regulator from. But I thought, I'm going to give this a shot, and it works. So if anyone out there is wondering, you can take and cut away. Actually, it's easier to tap the threads first, go from the outside where the discharge is, where the actual regulator attaches to the bowl, thread a 1/4 inch NPT through there. It will not interfere with where the brass plunger system assembly goes into there. You tap that, and then from the inlet, where on the inside of the bowl side is where you would put your whatever 1/4 inch connection that you're going to use. Eventually I'll use something other than the barbed hose, but this works for now for me. And then you just cut away that part from the bowl to as small as you'd like, and there you go. You have a regulator. It gets connected directly to where your return is, and yeah, I'm very happy with it. It works great. Wish I would have done it sooner. And if you're wondering, no, you do not have to purchase the Riff-Raff FRX kit in order to do this. The stock regulator assembly works just as well. You can see I actually plugged the 2 ports in on that FRX assembly with some 1/8 inch NPT plugs because they do not, the FRX system is not a regulated return. It just simply bleeds small air bubbles that may be in the line from the deadhead system. So again, you can use this stock fuel pressure regulator assembly where it comes out of the bowl. Also, if you can get it, Gasoila is a much better paste to use on your fittings to prevent leaks and everything. I had a little bit left and used that where I could instead of this other paste that you see next to this regulator.